I am doing my big sister duties. I mean, oh my god. अच्छा leave it. पैसे नहीं बच रहे. The enormous beauty of nature. So हरिद्वार में I couldn't see Ganga Aarti, but complete strangers who I met on the trip. So these were my goals. Now coming to August, I have never stopped sleeping. Hi. So as you have read by the title, this video of me just cribbing about how 6, 7, 8, how 8 months have gone by of 2024, and we are just left with 3 months. I mean, God. Randomly I had this realization that it's September already, and when I just tried to recall what I have done till now, I don't think I've done anything. Because as far as I remember myself, I was just cribbing about पैसे नहीं बच रहे, पैसे नहीं बच रहे, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, पैसे नहीं बच रहे. So when I actually looked back, I tried to write all the months till August, from January to August, and then made pointers as in what I have done and just little milestone. And then I realized, okay, I have done something. So here in this video, I'll be just talking about it, what have I done till now, and this is just for my future self. Grab something to eat and let's start. So I tried to recollect what have I done in January, and then I realized I have no photos. I went through Photos app, I went through Insta archive stories, then I went through my diary. There was nothing, and then I tried to recollect what have I done. First and foremost thing, I went on to a solo trek. It was in last week of December. So I came back on 2nd January. 2nd or 3rd January, I reached my hometown, that is Bihar. January went into just digesting what I saw. How was my experience, and enormous beauty of nature. I'll pin down the photos. You can see here. It was so beautiful, so beautiful. I can't explain in words. This New Year celebrated with complete strangers who I met on the trip, and we became best of friends. Okay, so the second thing I did in January, it was second last week of January. I went from my hometown to Bangalore because my younger sister had exam, and she put the exam location of Bangalore. Big sister duties. Yeah, I started reading Set on You by Amelia. Now coming to February. So in February I was in Bangalore, and the first pointer is I started reading Sophie's work. I started posting it on story, and that kept me going. So I really like to do physical activity, but I'm also lazy. Do you get me? In February, I joined gym, and I previously also I did gym for 3 months. It was from August 2023 to 3 months. I had a personal trainer. Okay, it costed me 10,000 per month. 3 months, and then I again started doing gym in February 2024, and it was a milestone. Okay, it was a milestone. I used to go to gym every day. I tried. So in a week I used to go 5 days, so it was pakka. One good thing happened. There was one person, he had a good body, and he was 40-45 plus. He came to me and my sister. He said, if you want any guidance in dieting, in doing exercise or anything, just ask him. He was actually helpful. He was helping other guys, girls also. So yeah, good people exist like me. I watched one day, and it is a Netflix romantic series. Why is it special? Because in a long time I haven't cried watching reading novel also, and this was the series I really cried in the end. So I went to Ooty with my friend and my elder sister. And so it was 2 to 3 days vacation, and it was the vacation I didn't know I needed. So we went by car from Bangalore to exactly, but we sat at a place and just played songs. Now coming to April, so this was the first milestone. So in April I started a YouTube channel and I am posting regularly since then. Just 1 month I didn't post. Second, in April I shifted from Bangalore to Gurgaon. So I actually work in a tech company and it's been 1 year and it is a 9 to 5 job, yes. And then in May I started my Insta. I started my public Insta and started posting there also. You can follow me here. Yes, and also I went from Delhi NCR to Bihar by car. It was 16 hours plus journey and we went by car. So it was amazing. I didn't drive. In June, I so previous month I shifted to Gurgaon, right? I'll leave it. So in June I started going to office regularly. So after coming back from my hometown, and it is basically hybrid, and we have to go 3 days in a week, or we can go 2 months in a quarter. Then I visited Gujarat for the first time. So it was my first time. I went to Ahmedabad and okay, so it was peak summer season. तो बहुत ही ऐसे गर्मी तो लगी रही थी, but मैं रात को 2 AM I was out and with my friend and it felt safe. So अभी तक जितनी भी सिटी में गई हूँ, I think Ahmedabad is the safest. And then I went to Haridwar. So Haridwar में I couldn't see गंगा आरती, but वहाँ जाना एंड टू सी मंदिर अच्छा लगा. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी ऐसी पॉजिटिव वाइब्स है बहुत ज़्यादा हरिद्वार की. In July, I remember I was coming from office by cab and I saw a Numi top on Insta and it was an ad and I thought I'm only for this only, so I just purchased it. So it was impulsive buy and I have never stopped since then. Whenever I see anything that I really like, I just purchase it. And after that I regret it, but this is what I have become. I ate ramen for the first time in July and I loved it. I got to know Japanese culture. Now coming to August, I met my whole friend group of MBA. Second thing, I went to Chandigarh to drop my sister again. Big sister duties. बस ये था, हर जगह लोग पंजाबी बोल रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा था मतलब. Then yeah, so it was Rakhi and after 2 years or 3 years I have celebrated Rakhi with my brother. Now coming to for my face, it was the worst month because बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्ने हो रहा था. Can you see it here यहाँ पे, एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्ने हो रहा था. देन आई कम अप विद द आइडिया कि आइस यूज़ करते हैं एंड आई बॉट आइस रोलर एंड अभी बहुत ही कम हो गया है. सो इन 2023 दिसंबर आई गेस, या इन दिसंबर और जनवरी 2024 I wrote my 2024 goals and it was, so these were my goals. So first goal was to start a business. I have thought about ideas a lot, but starting a business is a long commitment. I don't know when will I do that. First goal is crossed. I have not achieved that till now. Start YouTube channel and put videos. Have I done that? Yes, I have done that. Now grade up in job. I don't think it will happen this year, but we'll see that in next year, and this is not in my control, so okay. Third, savings plus investment. Yes, I have done savings and investment. So investment for me is not just in stock, it can be in my siblings also, and stock also. I got to know about fixed deposit, recurring deposit, emergency fund. I'm trying to build those also. So yeah, I have achieved this goal also. This was the fourth goal. Now coming to fifth goal, reduce weight and be physically active. I was physically active in the start of 2024, but then I stopped because of some reason. एंड अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही आई स्टार्टेड एक्सरसाइजिंग और मेरे अभी बॉडी में पेन हो रहा है, लाइक लेग्स आर पेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई विल बी फिजिकली एक्टिव फ्रॉम दिस मंथ. ठीक है. So we still have 4 months left. Okay. Now coming to reading novels, and let it be a habit of yours. So I think this goal has been checked. I read novels. So right now I am reading Yellow Face by Rebecca F. Kuang. So yeah. Now dancing. Okay, this was the goal, and this is the goal from last year. I really want to start dance and we have 4 months left, and अभी मेरे को ऐसे हुआ कि हाँ चलो ये तो कर सकते हैं. Now do something for the environment. अभी तक किया है क्या कुछ, मतलब ऐसे कुछ मेजर नहीं किया है, बट थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें ऐसे कहीं पे कुछ ऐसे केयरफुल रहना चीज़ों में कि प्लास्टिक ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करना है, किसी चीज़ मतलब थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें होती है ना वो डेली लाइफ में, वो आई एम जैसे कचरा कहीं भी फेंक देना, कुछ मेजर अभी तक नहीं किया है, बट येस आई कैन डू इट. इट्स टाइम फॉर हाईलाइट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, आई एम डूइंग माई बिग सिस्टर ड्यूटीज. So the second thing is for my first solo trip slash I started my YouTube channel. I started posting on Instagram regularly. I shifted from Bangalore to Gurgaon, close to my home. Now I've started taking impulsive decision with regards to shopping, which I should stop. That is the con highlight, whatever. So that was it for the video. We'll meet again next Sunday. Till then, bye.